Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering.
Hey guys, what's up going? What's up? What's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new, I'm your girl Kaisa A, and I would love for you to just stick around, hit that subscribe button, and just be a part of this family. Yes. So today I will be styling my natural hair. But look at my hair, the shrinkage is real. Like, oh, so much difference. Anyway, I just washed my hair and I went ahead and I put my leave-in conditioner in, and now I will be going ahead to style it. And if you're like me, guys, like some days I just don't want any extension, I just want to be able to style my own hair and just rock it for a few days, just slay, be natural, you know, no extension, no nothing, just natural. Yeah. So I started off by parting the front of my hair, and I will be doing some flat twists using some elastic band or rubber band. And some people are a bit skeptical, a bit afraid of rubber bands, but you need to remember that you are the one controlling the rubber band going into your hair, so you don't necessarily have to wrap it tight. And always remember to oil your rubber bands, that way it will protect your hair while you're removing it from the hair itself. It will slide off instead of pulling onto your hair. So I went in with my Aunt Jackie coconut curly jelly. Also on top of that, I used my shine and jam to get that hold and that sleekness that I want with my flat twist. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and flat twist the front of my hair. Then I will be defining the back using my coconut curly jelly from Aunt Jackie. And guys, this is bomb.com. Like, this is a holy grail. Like, you need to have this. Persons with low porosity hair, you need to buy this product. Persons with like 4 type B, 4 type C hair, you need to get this. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Trust me, you will not regret it. Right, this was like was it my first time? No, my second time using it. And this is gonna be one of my favorite products to have. I've seen a lot of videos over YouTube or even on Instagram with people using it, but I never tried it until I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna grab this and see how it works on my hair. And trust me, I am not disappointed. So just continue to watch this video. Hope you all enjoy. Remember to comment down below, let me know what you all think about this. You know, let me know if you want me to do a video more detail, like showing you guys how it held up like each day, because I wore this for, it's been 3 days now and I am still wearing this hair. Yeah, I am still wearing my hair like that. So I have a little routine that I would do in the morning. So just let me know down below if you want me to be more detailed, and I will do that for you. All right, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video. And
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Let's get away, we can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. Some things we don't gotta figure out. I know. Just relax your mind. It's way too much for us to think about. I know. Be in the moment. Just enjoy the moment. Yeah. Be in the moment. Just enjoy the moment. Yeah. I was 3 when my pops died. Seen when my pops cried. I just wonder how he dealt with all the sad times. I've been staring at his picture by my bedside. I've been telling myself it's gonna get better now. It's whatever though. I'm used to juggling.
So now I'm going in with some jewels, just trying to jazz up the style some more. And also I did go ahead and use my aloe vera oil. I will leave that link in the description. I did a DIY on that. You guys can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I got a lot of comments that, ooh, I like your hair and stuff, like, ooh, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Go and big up on yourself. Leave all questions and concerns in the comment bar below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.